coming together slowly but surely. Still got to clean off the table, but the in-scale train set is starting to run smoothly. It's starting to look like a layout. You gotta start adding some trees and stuff like that, and clear off the table. But hey, it's coming. And they have two different track types put together and have it running this smoothly. It's almost like a miracle. No, that's just kidding. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm thinking about putting a digital controller on here so I can run up to 10 trains.